In today's video, you will learn how to set up the Fibonacci retracement tool and how to use it in both uptrends and downtrends. First, let's understand the settings of this tool. When we use the Fibonacci tool on a chart for the first time on the TradingView website, many unwanted levels are displayed, which can make it difficult to understand. To fix this, we click on the Fibonacci settings. Initially, you will see the default settings, as shown in the picture, where all levels are selected. We need to select only the levels shown in the picture on the right and deselect all the other levels. After making these adjustments, the Fibonacci retracement tool becomes much easier and more convenient to use. Now, let's see how to make a trade entry in an uptrend using this tool. As you know, if there is a strong uptrend in the market, the price moves upwards, creating a higher low pattern. The price makes a small correction while rising. New traders often enter trades on the breakout of the previous high. However, sometimes the price suddenly reverses, and we get stuck in the trade. To prevent this, we use the Fibonacci tool. Whenever the price gives a strong impulse move, from the bottleneck level of this impulse move to the swing high, the Fibonacci tool will be applied. If the price retraces from the recent swing high and approaches the 0.5 or 0.618 level, it forms bullish price action. When it breaks the 0.382 level and goes up, you can enter a long trade by setting your stop loss below the 0.618 level. After entering this trade, your target should be at least a 1 to 2 risk-to-reward ratio. However, until the price breaks the recent swing high with a strong breakout candle, you should not enter the trade with your full quantity. For example, if you're going to enter this trade with 100 quantity, you should first enter with half the quantity. As soon as the price breaks the recent swing high, you can enter the remaining quantity at this level and adjust your stop loss to your entry level. When the uptrend is strong, if the price retraces to the 0.382 level and then breaks the recent swing high with a strong, bullish candle, you can place your stop loss below the 0.382 level and make a trade entry. Now let's see how to use the Fibonacci tool in a downtrend. If there is a downtrend in the market, and the price is falling with lower highs and lower lows, we will apply the Fibonacci tool from the top to the bottom level after the recent impulse move. If the price retraces from the recent swing low and reaches the 0.5 or 0.618 level, it forms bearish price action. When it breaks the 0.382 level and moves downward, you can enter a short trade by setting your stop loss above the 0.618 level. Your target in this trade should be at least a 1 to 2 risk-to-reward ratio. However, until the price breaks the recent swing low with a strong breakout candle, you should not enter the trade with your full quantity. As soon as the price breaks the recent swing low, you can enter the remaining quantity at this level and adjust your stop loss to your entry level. If the market reverses from here, you won't lose much.